Hey guys, it's SterlingW. So you want to get a cell phone mount for your tripod, and also you want to remote control it for your vlogging or maybe just taking photos with your cell phone. This is a pretty awesome mount because it actually swivels 360 as well as has metal brass quarter-inch standard locks for basically your tripod mounts. It also has a long bolt, a metal bolt, that basically clamps down on larger phones, so you can actually put your larger iPhone or Samsung like Galaxy Note on this thing and it will still fit, which is really nice. It does swivel 360 and has like I think quarter part things to lock it down. Most of this is plastic, as you can see, except for that main bolt. That main bolt probably could accommodate a little bit more than 4 inches here, so you should be able to put in most phones on this thing. Even with larger cases like mine, I actually have a very large case. Is like a beetle case, whatever they call it. So anyways, this case is much larger, adds another centimeter almost to it, so it even accommodates that. By locking on the back, you actually rotate this thing 360. And for larger cell phones like this S20 FE or even S21, this should be fine. Even a Samsung Note, which is much larger than this, could fit on this guy too. Again, this thing does rotate and you can mount it onto a tripod. It doesn't come with a tripod, of course, but like I said, you can mount this to any other things or even a selfie stick or whatever. And it's fairly lightweight. It's not like a metal one, and it's all plastic. So quite possibly, this is something, if you wiggle it, doesn't move, which is nice. It's sturdy enough for most phones, and it's way better than just having a spring-loaded one. So you want a metal bolt down like this to clamp things on, and it works pretty well. So moving on to the Bluetooth trigger, this is pretty neat. It has a one for iOS and one for a generic camera trigger. So we'll go ahead and sync this thing up with our Bluetooth on our Samsung phone and go ahead and use this. Apparently what this does is it uses a 2032 cell battery, which it already includes. And the best part is that there's an on-off switch on the side. So once you turn it on, it has a pairing mode and it starts blinking. And both buttons actually work the same, even though the instruction says something totally different. There's some sort of weird app that it says, but you don't even need the app. What you do is you turn this thing on, it goes into pairing mode, it starts blinking, and you go into your cell phone and start the process to do it. You can also turn it off to save energy, which is great, and it comes with a little tassel, so they could put it on your keychain or whichever one. But let's take a look at pairing this thing. Pairing is actually very easy. All you do is turn on the Bluetooth and scan for it. It'll pop up as AB Shutter 3, which is fine. And all you do, this is for my Samsung S20, by the way. And if you click on that thing and pair it, it basically pairs and acts like a text input for a volume up button for both buttons. So no matter which one you press, it's volume up. So if it doesn't work with your camera app, you might want to go to the app settings and make sure the trigger button you assign it is a volume up button, so it actually triggers the shutter. That's about it, guys. This is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.